Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use tab completion in PowerShell. So let's start the video. What is a tab completion? Tab completion is a feature that helps you to type faster and avoid mistakes, and how we can use it. So the basic usage looks like this. We are starting to type a comment, so I will type in something like this, so get and minus. And right now we want to fill it automatically, so we can use tab. We can press tab, and as you can see, we can search for the option that we need to. As you can see, right now we have a lot of options because I just type in get and minus, so we will get every get option that is possible in our system. But I can do something like this, so get pro and C. And if I will press tab, as you can see, I have only one option, so it will fill me automatically that option that I wanted to use. So this is how it works. And maybe you notice that if you press tab, it is going basically alphabetically from A to Z. So A, I can hold that B, C, D, and so on. We can do it backwards, of course. We can do it backwards by pressing Shift+Tab. As you can see, from now we are going from W to V, T, S, R, P, and so on. So from V to A. So we can do it backwards. Of course, we can do the parameter completion. So instead of comment, I will write this comment with tab, and right now we want to do minus and n, for example. Also, we can also use tab, so we can fill the name. So this is also really useful, I think. Of course, we can use it to autocomplete the file path. So let's say that we are in the desktop, and right now we have 3 folders right there. We can use cd into the folder, and we can choose the folder that we want to use. So for example, for folder 1 maybe, we can go back and everything will work fine. And again, we are in the home section, and in the home section also we can go again to the desktop, so cd, and we can press tab and press enter. So this is really important. And now we have one more option. The one more option is by pressing Ctrl, so this plus your space. Of course, when you are writing a comment, so for example, get again, and instead of pressing tab, we will press Ctrl+Space. As you can see, we have the option right there, display or 463 possibilities, yes or no. We will press Y because we want to display it, and as you can see, we are getting all possible completion in a menu that looks like this. So I think this is a very helpful feature, how you can make using of your terminal a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful and you know how to use tab completion in Windows PowerShell, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.